In this video, we will show you how to fix the screen flickering issue on a Samsung Galaxy S22. Display issues such as sudden flickering can be a sign of a hardware issue, especially if they occurred after the phone is dropped. However, if they started without apparent reason, then they'll probably just due to a minor issue. If you're one of the users with this problem, the first thing you need to do is to force restart your phone. Doing so will refresh the memory of your phone as well as reload all apps and services. To do that, press and hold the volume down and power keys at the same time for 8 seconds. This will trigger your phone to shut down and turn back on. When the Samsung logo shows, release both keys and let the phone continue to boot up. After that, try to see if the screen flickering is fixed, because if not, then what you need to do next is to check if there's an available update. It's possible that it's just a minor firmware issue, which are often fixed by an update. So launch Settings and then scroll all the way down. Tap Software Update and then select Download and Install. Allow your phone to check for an update, and if there's one available, take a little time installing it. However, if the problem continues after that, then the next thing you need to do is to reset all the settings without deleting any of your files or data. This is how it's done. Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the gear icon. Scroll all the way down and then tap General Management. At the bottom of the screen, tap Reset and then select Reset All Settings. Tap Reset Settings and enter your security lock to proceed. Tap Reset to finally reset the settings. Your phone will reboot once the settings reset is complete, so after that, try to see if the screen flickering issue is fixed. Because if still not, then your last resort will be to factory reset your phone. As long as the flickering isn't due to a hardware issue, then a reset will fix it. However, make sure to back up your important files and data, as they will be deleted. To do that, launch the Settings app again. Find and tap General Management at the bottom of the screen. Tap Reset and select Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and tap Reset. Verify your identity by entering your security lock, and then tap Delete All. Enter your password and then tap OK to proceed with the reset. Once the process is complete, set up your phone as a new device and observe the display closely to know if it's still flickering. If it still does, then it's probably a hardware issue, so you need to have your phone checked by a technician. We hope this troubleshooting guide can help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to support us, and thanks for watching.